How to fix Epic Games slow download speed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Epic Games Launcher slow download speed problem. So let's get started. So first, go to your search bar and search for firewall. After you do that, you will find up this option that says firewall and network protection. Open it up and there you will see allow an app through firewall option. Tap on it and this will open up. This is a control panel option. Here you'll need to tap on change settings. After you do that, go down here and tap on allow another app. So here you can browse. Now under browse, what you'll need to do is you'll need to search for your Epic Games. So scroll down till you find it. Now it might take some time depending on your file management. So you can go to your local disk and program files, Epic Games. From here, go to your launcher, go to engine, binaries, and 64. And from here, your Epic Games launcher. Just select on it. This is the exe file. So after you tap on it, you will just open it up and this will allow you for a faster speed. So this will allow you to download your games on your Epic Games faster. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.